Have you ever paused for a moment, fork in hand, and wondered where your breakfast sausage really comes from? That sizzling, savory link on your plate is more than just a morning treat. It's the result of a fascinating journey that spans continents, cultures, and centuries. Behind every bite is a global industry, one that churns out billions of sausages each year to satisfy cravings from Tokyo to Texas. It's a massive operation, with factories working around the clock to keep up with the world's insatiable appetite for this humble yet beloved food. Gone are the days of hand-cranked grinders and small-town butchers. Today's sausages are crafted in mega-factories where cutting-edge technology meets time-honored tradition. Here, innovation and heritage blend seamlessly, creating a product that's both familiar and ever-evolving. These factories are bustling hubs of activity, running non-stop and staffed by teams of experts. Food scientists, engineers, and seasoned workers all play a role, ensuring that every sausage has the perfect snap, the right blend of spices, and the consistent quality that consumers expect. From smoky bratwurst in Germany to spicy chorizo in Spain, and from classic American hot dogs to unique regional specialties, every culture has its own take on the sausage. Yet, no matter the recipe, the process has been supercharged by modern efficiency and global scale. What once required the hands of an entire village of butchers now happens in a single day at one high-tech factory. The speed and precision are staggering, turning what was once a slow, artisanal craft into a marvel of industrial production. It's a testament to human ingenuity, creativity, and our endless appetite for this iconic food. Each innovation, from automated stuffers to advanced quality control systems, pushes the boundaries of what's possible in food manufacturing. So, let's pull back the curtain and take a closer look at how tons of raw meat are transformed into the sausages we know and love. It's a process that starts with the delivery of fresh ingredients and ends with a product ready for tables around the world. We'll explore the powerful grinders, massive mixers, and high-speed fillers that make it all possible. Each machine is a crucial part of the journey, working in harmony to create the perfect sausage every time. This is a world most people never get to see, a blend of hard work, high-tech wizardry, and a relentless pursuit of flavor and consistency. So grab a seat, and maybe even a napkin, because we're about to dive deep into the wild, fast-paced world of mass sausage production. You might never look at your breakfast the same way again. Get ready for a journey that's as fascinating as it is delicious. A behind-the-scenes look at how a simple food becomes a global phenomenon. We'll see how a meal that started as a way to preserve meat has become a worldwide obsession, connecting people and cultures across the globe. Welcome to the Sausage Factory, where tradition, technology, and taste come together in every bite. It all starts with the meat. Before any spices are added or casings are filled, the foundation of every great sausage is the quality of the meat itself. This is where the journey truly begins, and every detail matters. Every day, refrigerated trucks arrive at the factory, delivering tons of pork, beef, and poultry. These trucks are specially designed to keep the meat at the perfect temperature, ensuring it stays fresh from the moment it leaves the farm until it reaches the processing plant. Workers carefully unload each box, knowing that the clock is ticking to maintain peak freshness. Quality control is strict. Inspectors check temperature, color, and texture before anything enters. They use thermometers to confirm the meat is cold enough, and their trained eyes look for any signs of spoilage or imperfections. Every batch is documented and nothing is left to chance. Only the best cuts make it inside. Anything subpar is rejected. Workers sort through each delivery, discarding any pieces that don't meet the factory's high standards. This step is crucial, because even a single poor quality cut can affect the entire batch. Inside, massive cold rooms keep everything fresh and organized by type and cut. The air is chilled, and racks are meticulously labeled, so every piece of meat is easy to find and stays in perfect condition until it's needed. Think of it as a library of ingredients, each cut cataloged for consistency. This organization ensures that every sausage recipe starts with the exact same quality and proportions, batch after batch. The right balance of lean meat and fat is crucial. Too little fat, and the sausage is dry; too much, and it's greasy. Experts carefully assess each cut, sometimes trimming or blending different pieces to achieve the ideal ratio. This balance is what gives sausage its signature juiciness and flavor. Experts rely on both technology and their trained eyes to select the perfect meat. Advanced scanners can analyze the composition of each cut, but experience and intuition are just as important. It's a blend of science and craftsmanship. Every box is tracked with a barcode, ensuring full traceability from farm to factory. This system allows the factory to know exactly where each piece of meat came from and when it arrived, adding another layer of safety and accountability. This transparency is key to safety and quality. Detailed records are kept at every step, so if there's ever a problem, it can be traced and resolved quickly. It's all about building trust with every link in the supply chain. The selection process is a blend of science and old-school expertise. butchers and technicians work side by side, combining traditional skills with modern technology to make the best choices for every batch. It's the foundation for everything that follows. Without careful selection at this stage, even the best recipes and equipment can't produce a truly great sausage. Without this step, there's no perfect sausage. The quality of the final product depends entirely on the choices made here, before the real transformation even begins. The journey from farm to factory is tightly controlled. Every stage is monitored, from the way animals are raised to how the meat is transported and stored, ensuring only the best makes it to the production line. It all begins here, with the perfect cut. This is where the story of every great sausage starts, setting the stage for everything that comes next. With the meat selected, it's time to break it down. Huge conveyor belts move the cuts to industrial grinders, machines that can process tons of meat in minutes. The grinders use powerful augers and steel plates to turn whole cuts into uniform mince. Plate size varies for different sausage textures, coarse for kielbasa, fine for hot dogs. Safety is paramount. Machines are caged and shut down if opened. The grinding room is kept cold to prevent bacteria and keep the meat firm. Operators respect these machines. They do the work of 100 butchers but demand full attention. The result? A mountain of perfectly ground meat ready for mixing. This transformation is critical for texture and flavor. Every bite of sausage starts with this uniform mince. It's noisy, chilly, and essential. The blank canvas for sausage artistry is now ready. Now the real magic, flavor. Ground meat is loaded into giant mixers, each holding thousands of pounds. Here, secret spice blends, paprika, fennel, garlic, and more, are added with scientific precision. Specialists measure spices to the gram, ensuring every batch is identical. Ice or cold water is mixed in to keep temperatures safe and textures perfect. The paddles blend everything evenly, distributing flavor throughout. Recipes are programmed into computers for consistency, batch after batch. After mixing, a sample is cooked and tasted for quality control. Only when the flavor is perfect does the batch move on. This is where a simple mince becomes a signature sausage. Precision and tradition meet in every mix. The emulsion is now ready for its final transformation. Next stop, the casing. The seasoned meat needs a home, the casing. This humble yet essential component is what transforms a simple blend of spices and ground meat into a true sausage. Without the casing, the mixture would never take on its iconic shape or texture. The casing is the vessel that holds everything together, giving the sausage its structure and bite. In the bustling stuffing room, high-pressure machines fill casings at lightning speed. A process that once took hours by hand now happens in mere moments. These machines are marvels of engineering, designed to handle massive volumes while maintaining precision and consistency. Casings can be natural, made from animal intestines, or artificial, crafted from collagen or cellulose. Each type offers a unique texture and snap, influencing the final eating experience. Natural casings are prized for their delicate bite and traditional feel, while artificial casings provide uniformity and efficiency for large-scale production. Long, delicate tubes of casing are carefully loaded onto stuffing horns. The seasoned meat is then pumped in with perfect pressure, ensuring the filling is even and the casing remains intact. This step requires both precision machinery and a watchful eye. Sophisticated sensors and gauges constantly monitor the process, adjusting pressure to avoid air pockets or bursts. Even the slightest error can ruin a batch, so technology and human oversight work hand in hand. One machine can stuff thousands of pounds per hour, creating endless ropes of sausage that snake their way down the production line. The scale is staggering, with each link identical to the last. Skilled operators keep the process flowing smoothly, loading fresh casings, monitoring machines, and making quick adjustments as needed. Their expertise ensures that every sausage meets strict quality standards. The sight is mesmerizing. Long coils of sausages filling bins, ready for the next stage. It's a dance of machinery and manpower, each step building on the last. Automation has revolutionized what was once a slow, manual job. Today, robotic arms and conveyor belts have replaced hand cranking and stuffing, allowing for greater speed, hygiene, and consistency. Artificial casings allow for uniform size and shape, which is crucial for packaging and distribution. This consistency means every sausage looks and cooks the same, whether destined for a local deli or a supermarket shelf. Whether natural or collagen, the casing gives the sausage its final form, locking in flavor and moisture. It's the finishing touch that defines the sausage's character. At this stage, it's no longer just seasoned meat, it's a sausage in the making, transformed by the casing into something greater than the sum of its parts. The transformation is almost complete. The sausages are now ready for linking, cooking, or curing depending on their final destination. Next, it's time to create the perfect chain, linking each sausage with precision, ensuring they're ready for the next phase of production. The art of the casing brings tradition and technology together, blending centuries-old methods with cutting-edge innovation. It's a testament to how food evolves, yet still honors its roots. Now, the endless sausage rope becomes individual links. Linking machines twist and pinch the rope at precise intervals, forming perfect chains. Thousands of links are made every minute, each identical in size and weight. Uniformity ensures even cooking and consistent quality. Some sausages are cut apart by spinning blades, others stay in long chains for smoking. The process is seamless. Stuffing, linking and cutting flow without pause. The factory hums with the rhythm of automation. Each link is a product of engineering and precision. The chain is ready for its next transformation. From a single rope to perfect links, the sausage takes its final shape. Next up, cooking and smoking. With links formed, it's time to cook or smoke. Sausages are loaded into massive ovens or smokehouses, each holding thousands of pounds. Temperature and humidity are computer-controlled for safety and flavor. Hot dogs are steam-cooked. Kielbasa and andouille are slow-smoked over wood chips. The type of wood, hickory, applewood, mesquite, adds unique flavor. Smokehouse masters oversee the process, adjusting for perfect color and taste. Smoking is an art. Patience and precision are key. The process can take hours, but the result is deep, rich flavor. Once cooked, sausages are firm, flavorful, and safe to eat. Casings tighten, colors deepen, and the aroma is irresistible. The transformation is complete. Raw meat becomes a culinary icon. The journey isn't over yet. Next, quality control. After cooking, sausages are rapidly chilled for safety. Shock chilling brings them quickly through the danger zone, preserving quality. Every sausage passes under scanners, X-rays, and metal detectors. High-speed cameras check for size, shape, and color. Imperfect sausages are removed instantly by robotic arms or air jets. Quality assurance technicians monitor data in real time. Human inspectors still perform random spot checks, tasting, weighing, and measuring. The blend of technology and human expertise ensures only the best make it through. Consistency and safety are non-negotiable. Billions of sausages, all held to the same high standard. Only the perfect links move on to packaging. Quality control is relentless and the customer's trust is everything. The final check is complete. The last step, packaging and shipping. Sausages move to high-speed packaging machines for vacuum sealing or modified atmosphere packaging. Robotic arms count, tray, and seal sausages in seconds. Air is removed or replaced with special gases to keep sausages fresh. Packages are labeled, bar-coded, and tracked for full traceability. Boxes are stacked, wrapped, and moved to refrigerated warehouses. Forklifts load pallets onto trucks bound for stores and kitchens worldwide. The logistics are as impressive as the production. Everything is timed and temperature controlled. From farm to factory to fridge, every step is engineered for quality and speed. The journey ends at your table, but it started with a single cut of meat. Mass sausage production is a marvel of modern food engineering. It's a dirty job, but the result is undeniably delicious. Enjoy your next bite, now you know the story behind it.